Lydia, look at me.
Hi.
Angel, give a guy a big piece again. I want to see it. Please, just drop it.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, little dude? Ready? Run! Right into the middle of them. Here, you take this one. Yeah, run, little dude.
There he goes. There he goes.
You take that one. You take that one. Take it. Run! 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 Run!
They charge for it.
Lydia, I'm scared they're gonna peck your finger. Good luck. Good luck. That's my foot. Do not eat my foot.
Don't put it close to your foot then, Angel.
You guys go get it. Good luck.
Say bye, Lydia.